I poured my heart and soul into this channel for over a year. I spent hundreds of hours scripting, shooting, and editing videos about my passion for home coffee brewing, but when I looked at my bank account, this is what I saw. Zero. A big, fat nothing. I was completely burned out and ready to quit. I decided to try one last thing, Amazon's affiliate program. A few weeks later, this happened, and it changed everything. In this video, I'm not selling you a dream. I'm going to show you the complete end-to-end process I followed to go from zero to my first $1,000 in affiliate commissions. No fluff, no secrets, just the exact steps I took, so you can do it too. Let's be honest, hearing you can make money online usually sounds like a total fantasy. I thought so too. It felt like everyone else had cracked the code, and I was left behind. But affiliate marketing isn't a magic button, it's a business model, and the Amazon Associates program is the most straightforward way to get started. Why? Because you don't need your own products, you don't handle shipping, and you definitely don't deal with customer service. You simply recommend products you already use and love, and when someone buys through your special link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. So I'm going to walk you through the entire journey. We'll cover setting up your account, the way to choose products, how to create content that actually converts, and the critical mistakes you absolutely need to avoid. By the end of this, you will have a clear, actionable roadmap. Step 1. The foundation. Setting yourself up for success. Before you even think about applying, there are a few things you need to have in place. Trust me, I learned this the hard way. Amazon wants to see that you're a serious creator, not a spammer. First, you need a platform. This can be a YouTube channel, a blog, a TikTok account, or an Instagram page. You need a place where you create original quality content because they will ask for it during the sign-up process. For me, it was this YouTube channel. For you, it might be a blog about gardening or an Instagram account dedicated to vintage fashion. The key is that it's a space you own where you're consistently giving value to an audience. Second, let's talk about that content. Your content needs to be original and helpful. You can't just copy and paste reviews from other sites. Think genuine reviews, helpful tutorials, or personal stories with products. Before I applied, I made sure I had at least 10 solid videos on my channel that showed I was serious. There's no official magic number, but Amazon needs to see a history of quality and activity. For a website, that might be 10-20 articles. For a social account, it could mean having an established audience of around 500 followers. They review each case individually. Now, here's a crucial rule that many beginners miss, and it can get your account shut down. You must generate at least 3 qualifying sales within your first 180 days. If you don't, they close your account. This sounds intimidating, but don't worry. The strategy I'm about to show you is designed to get you past that goal. See, getting approved initially is often conditional. The real, in-depth review of your site often happens after you make those first few sales, so you have to meet their standards. Step 2. The setup. Becoming an official Amazon associate. Alright, foundations set? Let's get you signed up. First, head over to the Amazon Associates homepage and click Join Now for free. I really recommend creating a new Amazon account just for your business to keep everything separate from your personal shopping. The application itself is pretty straightforward. 1. Account information. This is the basic stuff. Your name, address, all that. 2. Website and mobile app list. Here's where you'll plug in the URL of your YouTube channel, blog, or social media page. This is exactly why having that platform ready is so important. 3. Profile. This is your chance to explain what your platform is about. Be specific. I wrote something like, a YouTube channel dedicated to helping coffee enthusiasts brew better coffee at home, with tutorials, reviews, and brewing guides. You'll also explain how you get traffic. For me, it was YouTube SEO and social media. Once you submit your application, you'll set up your payment and tax information. You can get paid by direct deposit, an Amazon gift card, or a check. Keep in mind there's a minimum payout. It's usually $10 for direct deposit or gift cards, and $100 for a check. Then, fill out the tax interview. It's a simple digital form. Amazon needs this to report your earnings and send you the right tax forms at the end of the year. They might even have you verify your phone number with a PIN, so keep your phone handy. After you've submitted everything, Amazon will review it, which can take a few hours or a few days. While you wait, let's get into the most important part, your strategy. Step 3. The strategy. Finding your niche and products. This is where so many people get stuck. They try to recommend everything under the sun and end up appealing to no one. The key to success is picking a niche. A niche is just a specific topic you focus on. My niche was home coffee brewing. Not just coffee, but specifically the art of making it at home. That focus helped me attract a super specific audience that was passionate and ready to buy products for their hobby. So how do you find your niche? Start with what you love. What could you talk about for hours? What are you already the go-to expert for among your friends? It could be anything: gluten-free baking, sustainable fashion, budget PC gaming, caring for houseplants. When you're genuinely into the topic, creating content feels less like work. Once you've got your niche, it's time for the fun part: finding products. I started by making a list of every single coffee product I used and loved: my grinder, my scale, my favorite pour-over dripper, even my go-to beans. These were things I could honestly stand behind. And, please, don't just pick products with the highest commission rates. Amazon's commissions are all over the place. Most standard categories hover between 1% and 4%, though some specific ones like luxury beauty can go up to 10%, while other items like gift cards pay 0. It's tempting to only promote high-commission stuff, but trust is your most valuable currency. If you recommend a garbage product just to make a few extra bucks, your audience will see right through it and you'll lose them forever. Start with products you genuinely believe in. Step 4. Okay, it's time to actually create your content and grab those affiliate links. Once your associate's account is approved, you'll get access to a special toolbar on the Amazon website called the Site Stripe. It just appears at the top of any Amazon page when you're logged in. To get a link, you just go to the product page of an item you want to recommend. Up in your Site Stripe, you'll see an option that says Get Link and then text. Click that, and boom. It generates your unique affiliate link with your special tracking ID. Just copy it. Now, where do you put this link? You place it naturally within your content. For my YouTube videos, I put the links right in the video description. For example, in a video titled My Morning Coffee Routine, I'd list every single product I used with my affiliate link right next to it. I also created dedicated review videos, like the best coffee grinder under $100. In that video, I'd review a few different grinders and link to all of them in the description. This kind of content works incredibly well because you're literally helping people make a buying decision. But here is the most important rule of all, and ignoring it could get you banned. You must disclose that you're using affiliate links. The Federal Trade Commission, FTC, legally requires this, and Amazon is extremely strict about it. Your disclosure has to be clear and easy to find. A simple sentence at the top of your blog post or video description is all it takes. Something like, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Or, you can label the links themselves with paid link or affiliate link. Transparency is everything. Don't ever try to hide it. Step 5. I will never forget my first sale. I woke up, checked my associate's dashboard, and there it was. A commission of $114. Someone had bought a bag of coffee beans through my link. It wasn't much, but it was proof. It was real. That tiny win gave me all the motivation I needed. I just kept creating helpful content. I made review videos, comparison videos, and tutorials. I focused on answering the questions my audience was actually asking. In my first month, I made about $50. The second month, it was over $200. I started creating blog posts to go with my videos, embedding my affiliate links there too. This opened up another stream of traffic and another chance to earn. Reaching that first $1,000 didn't happen overnight. It was the result of consistent effort over several months. It came from building a library of helpful content that people could find weeks or even months after I published it. That's the beauty of this model. A video I made 6 months ago is still earning me commissions today. It becomes a real source of passive income. The key was focusing on being a resource, not a salesperson. I wasn't trying to sell products, I was trying to help people make better coffee. The sales were just a natural byproduct of being helpful. Look, going from zero to your first $1,000 with Amazon affiliates isn't complicated, but it does take work. Let's recap the game plan real quick. First, build a platform around a niche you're actually passionate about and create genuinely valuable content. Second, sign up for the Amazon Associates program and get your account set up the right way. Third, pick products you truly trust and use SiteStripe to get your unique affiliate links. Fourth, create content that helps people and place your links where they make sense. And finally, always disclose your affiliate relationship. Be transparent. Build trust. I was so close to giving up on this whole project because it wasn't making a dime, Affiliate marketing gave me a way to finally monetize my work without feeling like a sellout. It let me turn my passion into a sustainable side income, and if I can do it, I promise you can too. If you found this guide valuable, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. I'll be sharing a lot more tips and strategies on my journey. And now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me what niche you're passionate about. I'd love to see what you're working on. Now go out there and start building. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.